In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Binance Reward Hub. If you've been navigating the Binance platform and wondering how to get the most out of it, especially in terms of rewards, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide. First things first, you need to open the Binance website. You can do this by typing www.binance.com into your browser. Binance is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges, widely known for its extensive list of supported assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins. Being logged in is crucial because accessing your account details is not possible otherwise, so ensure you log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page of Binance, the next thing you'll want to do is locate your profile icon. This can be found in the top left corner of the page. Tapping on your profile is key here because it takes you to your account dashboard where you can access a variety of personalized options. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with your account settings and options, as this knowledge can really enhance your overall experience on the platform. Now, as you scroll through your account dashboard, you're going to want to find an option that says either Reward Center or Reward Hub. These sections are synonymous, so don't be confused if you see one term instead of the other. They serve as the gateway to all your available rewards and promotions that you can take advantage of as a Binance user. Often, exchanges like Binance offer these as a thank you for your continued use of their services or as a way to promote new features. After you've entered the Reward Hub, your next stop is to click on My Vouchers. This section is particularly appealing because it's here where you'll find any active rewards that are available to you personally. Keep a keen eye on this section, because this is where claimable offers and vouchers designed exclusively for you will appear. They might include trading fee discounts, bonuses, or other financial incentives. Regularly checking this section could really benefit you in the long run, especially if you're an active trader. It's a simple but effective way to ensure that you're not missing out on any perks that could possibly lower your trading costs or enhance your overall experience on the platform. And that's it. By following these steps, you should successfully gain access to the Binance Reward Hub and start taking full advantage of the rewards it offers. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned trader, there's something for everyone. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more guides and tips on optimizing your trading experience.